Today, I'm taking you inside one of the craziest koi pond setups in the world. It's right here in Switzerland. And honestly, this has to be the most insane design I've ever seen. There are koi ponds everywhere. Indoors, outdoors, and believe it or not, even in the shower. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new episode on the channel. My name is Ivo, I'm the koi partner, and I visit the most beautiful koi ponds and gardens all around the world. Today I'm in Switzerland, and if I tell you these ponds are the most crazy pond designs I've ever seen in history, you need to believe me. And this koi pond, guys, is indoor, outdoor, in the bathroom, in the shower, and I'm gonna show it all to you. Together today with Philip.
When I first came here, I was also surprised, and it's really difficult to say where to start. So we try to start downstairs and come up and inside and outside and everywhere. I mean, it's a great place. This is the oldest part of the whole system. Basically, it was the pond of the client's mother first and father. His mother loved koi, and he took over the house some years ago, and he extended everything and also built some part together with his father. And this part is very special because this is where all the fish of his are based. Some fish are over than 35 years old.
35
Yes.
years old? So that is a question. I don't know if you get that question also a lot of times. How old can fish be? Well, this is a question, guys, that is going to be answered right now, because some fish can live up to 35, 40, sometimes even older.
Yes, but this is always a difficult question, you know. When they stay healthy, they can get very old. As you can see here, I mean, of course, they're not as beautiful as they were when they were younger fish, but still really nice, and I mean, they deserve their place here, and they still look great. The whole system at this client's place is connected. So we start with the pond up there, and then it comes down over the water feature until this place, and also it goes inside.
Wow, it goes inside.
We'll show that afterwards. Over there is the living room, and not the bedroom of the clients. So this is really crazy. You will see it later on. Filtration system is under this deck over here. It's filtered by a drum filter as well. We don't open it today, but it's very nice drum filter and a good working system. Koi are also really healthy.
How many pumps? Because the people haven't seen the pond upstairs over there now, but how many power do you need with pumps to get all the water in one system from here all the way up?
Yeah, I mean, this is crazy. The two pumps, they are big pumps, and they consume 3 kilowatts per hour. So I don't want to have the electricity bill of the client, but I mean, if you have a system like this, it just works like that. Otherwise, you don't need to do it.
No, I agree.
I mean, if you would build it all new, maybe you would have a filter system for the pond down here and another one up there. But as it was constructed, parts for part, it's just the way it is.
Exactly. But it is crazy. I mean, the design, and I need to be honest, Philip and we already just been in over there, and you will see everything later at the end of the video how that looks. But it is insane, and we got so much more to show you, because as Philip told, some of the fish in here, look at that, how many they are. They're over 35 years old, and they can swim into that place, and from there you have, from the bedroom, you have the viewing glass. It's insane. But that's not all. There's so much more here to show.
Yes, and I think you have to follow me.
So this is Switzerland. So we have mountains, hills, so we have elevation. So we have this stair all the way up to the biggest pond. And the coolest part about this pond is we have a window, we have a little bridge, but then this pond goes inside the house.
Crazy, isn't it?
It
I
is.
mean, you can literally watch your fish while having dinner.
That is absolutely ridiculous. And the fish are big as well.
Yeah, and it's not just the pond open. You have these glass windows where you can step on, and then you see the fish coming through the window.
Unbelievable. Look at that. Look at that big karashigoi coming in.
And now it's daytime. When being here at night, it's absolutely crazy. Everything is illuminated, so it looks just fantastic.
So there are lights in here, and guys, look at this. There's even a water feature inside the house. The owner has a business and he does something with water. So whenever there is an accident, because I think we will get a lot of that question. But look at that, wow, the fish underneath you. There's a Hiyutsuri. But the owner, he is specialized in water damage. So
yes,
whenever something happens, he can call himself.
Yes, he dries out places. And he knows the guys from the insurance companies very well, so he knows exactly who to call.
So we're outside now, and as you can see, the fish are following us. Look at that! Underneath the bridge, into the larger pond. I remember, I visited, I will put a link in the description, I visited a pond in Germany a couple of years ago, and the owner did a great job also like with the indoor pond. It was a little bit smaller with the tube, but this is next level. Like the whole pond is just going inside the house.
Yes, and you know, when you look at the pond, you can see that it was constructed part by part. Here was the original wall of the pond. You can see that. So he took it out and created all of this additionally.
That is insane. I also saw some very nice fish. I did see that beautiful sanka over there.
Yes.
That really nice yamabuki, the kujaku, and they're big. I think they're over 75, maybe 80 cm.
Yes, they are. The sanki you mentioned is close to 80 cm. It's from Sokai. The client bought it with us a year ago. It's a really nice fish. And I had the pleasure of bringing a nice Okawa Karashi yesterday, actually. Now it's inside.
Which one is it? Can you show us and to the viewers? Well, we are going inside. The fish are also going inside. And I can really say now that
it's hard to see.
It is on the bottom right now. It is feeding, and look at
But it's really big.
Massive
it's,
fish.
Over 90 cm and the sun side, actually.
Wow.
It's a really nice karashi going.
This is so cool. So this is actually the bedroom, and look at that. They have a window so they can see the fish in the morning. And this is actually the pond, the pond downstairs.
Even throw in some food for us.
The shower.
Yes, from up here.
And this is the koi pond. That is insane. Yeah, so this is unbelievable. Unbelievable, guys. So look at that. The fish are eating. There is one. And I'll try to zoom out so you have an idea, but this is actually the view from the bathroom. And some of the fish are now going back inside the outdoor pond because the food is almost finished. But this is one of the craziest things I've ever seen. This is a shower. This is the view. Unbelievable. All right, so Philip, I now think that the Swiss people, I've done so many ponds filming here in Switzerland. I think the Swiss people are one of the most, in a good way, craziest people on earth. They built these amazing ponds with glass windows in basements. It is amazing. I've seen so many crazy ponds here in this country. It's unbelievable. To end this video, but also to end this small series together with Philip. And if you want me and Philip to make more videos in the future, he has to go and start build more koi ponds, but I will support him in that. But guys, if you need any information in Switzerland, Austria, whatever, France, just give a shout out to Koiland Zurich. Thank you so much for showing me around with all these amazing ponds, your store, which is really beautiful and it reflects the quality of your work. I think that's a very big compliment. Guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, but even more important, let me know what you think of this crazy house with these crazy koi ponds. And if you got some inspiration or you have any questions about the size of the pond, how many gallons it is, how many drains, I will answer every single question in this video.